Your local AI agent is about to forget everything it just did, and the fix takes about 10 seconds. Hermes Agent is an open-source autonomous agent from Nous research. Unlike a chatbot, it runs continuously, browsing the web, executing terminal commands, editing files, even messaging you on Telegram, all while remembering what it learned last session. By default, it talks to cloud models like Claude or GPT. This guide swaps that out for Ollama, so the whole thing runs on your own hardware. No cost per message, no data leaving your machine. Here's the part almost everyone gets wrong. Ollama ships with a 4096 token context window. Hermes needs at least 64,000 to hold a multi-step task in memory. Miss this and Hermes doesn't crash. It just quietly forgets its own earlier steps after 3 or 4 tool calls and starts repeating work or contradicting itself. It looks like a bad model. It's actually one number in a config file. The reliable fix is a model file. Set the model you're using as the source, add one parameter for context length, then build it under a new name. Check it landed with a quick status command. The context column should read 64,000. Before any of that works, you need Ollama installed, a single install command from their site. Then pull a model. Qwen38B is the sweet spot for most machines. 8 gigs of RAM, reliable tool calling out of the box. Now install Hermes itself, same one-line pattern. It handles Python, Node, and every dependency for you automatically. Reload your shell, then run the built-in doctor check. Every dependency should show a green check mark. Point Hermes at your local model. Run the interactive setup, choose custom endpoint, paste in Ollama's local address, and skip the API key. Ollama doesn't need one. One detail that trips people up. Set the context length explicitly in the config file to match what you configured in Ollama. Otherwise, Hermes reads the model's theoretical maximum instead of what you actually set, and you get overflow errors deep into a session. Start it up with a TUI flag. The banner confirms your model and context size right on launch. Give it something real. Search the web for the latest Qwen3 benchmarks. Summarize the findings, and save them to a file. If it finishes without losing the thread, your 64,000 token context is holding. Last thing, open the SOUL file in your Hermes folder and tell it who you are, your name, your time zone, your working preferences. It loads that at every startup, so a minute here saves several sessions of the agent guessing. That's a fully local autonomous agent. No API bill, no rate limit, nothing leaving your machine. Full written guide is linked below if you want every config option in one place.